Today is a special day because we're going to a trip to Europe, and what's make that trip even more special is that we're going there for the first time in 16 years. So it's going to be an exciting trip, that's for sure.
We're good, honey. Have a great flight.
Trip to the toilet in an 8-hour flight feels like a real adventure. Seriously, yeah. We just passed the second hour of the flight and we still have 6 hours remaining. So definitely a long flight, but we're excited for an adventure that will start tomorrow. Sadly, I'm gonna start it alone, but the rest of my family will join the trip with 9 days from now, so yeah, it's gonna be awesome. And we're here in Wrocław, my hometown, for the first time in 16 years. Yeah, finally we made it happen. So at the beginning I wasn't able to say anything to the camera because I was getting a little bit emotional, but as the time goes on, it's getting better. I wish I could have my close ones with me right now, so I could share that moment with them, but due to my kids' school schedule, they wasn't able to come with me today, but they're gonna join the trip within the next 10 days. So I'll definitely show you my hometown in the details, but for now, first things first, let's take care of the most important business before we're gonna explore the Poland and the rest of the Europe.